Morning, everybody. Buy stop US 30. One minute chart, buy stop US 30. 1 minute chart. Oh, am I tired? Hope you all had a good evening and hope we get off to a great morning. I'm going to do my usual talk about the scumbag scamming Russians. The update that we do have currently is 2 stores have been closed. They're trying to sell it. They're so dumb. DMCA is working on closing them. We actually are talking directly to the internet over there, whoever that is, the Jimmy guy's talking to them about closing it. So hopefully that site be closed down. I know they'll spring up another one, but at least that one will be closed out. And then, let me go over here and tell everybody we're live. And then we've got names and numbers from one of the stores that we closed down that were selling the shittiest version. It's embarrassing what they were doing because they can't break it. The only thing they can possibly do is copy it. Breaking it was impossible. There's no fucking way. So these idiots are out there trying to scam. We have a lawyer and his assistant. I'm trying to find the lawyer's name. The assistant guy, criminal lawyer. His name is Mike. The assistant is. The criminal lawyer's name is, holy crap. Let me get over here. I can never keep all this shit straight, I swear. That's why I have Bri. Let's take a look, see. Good morning to everybody. Buy stop US 31 minute. Buy stop NAS if it's pulling back, which I think it is. I'm already in some of these longer term buys from yesterday. Just a couple. I just left a couple open. SPX also buy stop 1 minute. So we have buy stops across the board on all 3 indices. 1 minute. I swear these spreads and volumes are just not worth it in the morning sometimes. All right, where was I? Buddy, I'm not even looking. Oh, I was looking for my attorney name. Attorney Baker, James Baker is my attorney, but he referred me to a attorney. Okay. I swear. Oh boy, I just woke up. So let me be. Who is this guy? Um. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, forget it. Ain't worth it. All right. Well, anyhow, I'm going to go on TikTok here just a second. Hope you all have a good morning. I do believe the scanners are up, by the way. Let me take a look real quick here. Yeah, I think the scanners are up. We'll keep an eye on those just to make sure. Yep, I think we're good. Okay, morning, Scott. Morning, D Nice. Morning, Steven. Morning, Metal Mind. Morning, Leela. Morning, D Nice. Oh, yeah, make sure you monetize. Thanks, D Nice. You guys know me too well. Let's go over to here. Go content. Thank you, D Nice. Hey, if you guys remind me of my appointments. And by the way, I have training today at 1, so if I'm still talking like at 12, you gotta shut me up and get me off of here. Thank you so much, D Nice. That is too funny. Live trading or oh my god, that's too funny. Okay, I monetize it. Thank you, D Nice. Oh man. And I haven't sent out my alerts to everybody either, but I'm not gonna do that. Probably gonna wait for Bree, but we'll see. Buy, stop all across the board on all 3 indices, by the way. They open at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, actually, Scott. But good morning, Scott. Techman, good morning. Nell, good morning. Stephen Dunlap, good morning. Health Everyday Wealth Systems, good morning. LT, good morning. Keith, good morning. Keith in the house. Keith, the gentleman who is bringing us our current version of the scanner room. Looks gorgeous. Does an unbelievable job helping us out. You guys all just give him a huge round of applause. Keith Palmer, that is. And his son, Chad Harrington, his son is the one doing all our merchandise for us. And that is, I wore my T-shirt out for the first time, tank top out for the first time ever. You guys see my daughter. Of course, she noticed it right away, and it was just gorgeous, fit perfect, and I'm telling you, the best quality shirt there ever was. Not that it matters, but it really is. It was just exceptionally good stuff that he did, which thank God, because I appreciate that for what we're doing. Kevin Owsley, good morning. Weird, good morning from India. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Paul. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Nell, Kev, I have your system about can I purchase scanners before the price goes up? Just an email, and please don't ask about well, I guess that's not a question. Just shoot us an email at where you've been writing, Bree, at forextrade@gmail.com. Morning, Marty. Hit the thumbs up on your way in, please. Thank you so much, D Nice. I like D Nice. Um, we're love from India. Hey, we have a few people from India. I have a whole from there. Somebody that owns a like a print or something. Stephen Dunlap. I'm gonna shoot from the hip here and I'll sell stop at all time frames on the user shelf. Looks to me like it could sell forever. Am I seeing this correctly? Let me look at that. Ours closed early today. No, the markets are never closed except for Friday at whatever time it is. I think 5 Eastern Standard Time. They reopen at 6 after Sunday. So your forex markets are only open are only closed those hours, 1 hour a day, 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time, and then you have well, it doesn't matter. They're open. All training for me. Can't wait for me. Just make sure everything's all set, Paul, please. There, hit the thumbs up, please. Family kill. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Anthony. Villa Lobos. Villa. That'd be like a good villain name, wouldn't it? Villa Lobo. I love the name. Any rate, yes, if I can get more than 20 thumbs up, that'd be awesome. Oh man, I'm tired. I stopped all 3 indices. Let me take a look at what he's talking about real quick here. And I'm gonna show you guys a cute little trick. Sell stop, correct. And what he's seeing right here, see the sell stop? You guys can see. I guess we don't need this up. We didn't do shit on this, by the way. All right, look inside of here. Buy stop and all 3 for us, by the way, at 1 minute. But hold on, I'll get back to ours. Look inside of here. Who asked the question from Stephen? Stephen Dunlap. Look at that, and then look at that. This is the ERUSD going to the blue line, which is called out like I don't know February the 18th, I believe was the first time I called it. And buy stop. And then this is USD chef. USD CHF. Look at it. What is a complete buy stop, right? And then what he's was talking about. Does everyone see what are they? Are they the same or are they complete opposites? If I can get some answers. Same or complete opposites? Alright, and I'm all done going over that. I won't be bringing this up on TikTok at all. Uh, so same or complete FX Wolves. Oh, cool. Thank you, Techman. Good morning, Stefan. Look, our ERUSD, this, you can see right here, the little name thing. Daily ERUSD and daily UTISHEF, are they the same or complete opposites? Only one person heard the question. Morning, Binion. Buy stops coming up on all.
This video's going viral on someone else's TikTok, and I love it.
Sundays in the morning. Checking on a bot system. Right, Binion. Very good. I need more than one answer on opposites, though. Okay, everyone's not paying attention. ERUS, this one right here. What is this? A buy stop or a sell stop? Oops, hold on. Let me make this a little. Is this the same as UTISHEF, or is it opposite than UTISHEF? Maybe I'm not asking the question good. Forex. Am I not live? What? Not live yet. Shit. I hit that button. There we go. Looks awesome to me. Roshane says buy stop. They look the same, Leela. Oh, this is interesting. It's so easy. Training was spot on, says Scott. Thank you, guys. Thank you for speaking up. I hope all is well. Lord God, thank you. Money made, ton of money in demos with Scott. Congratulations, Binion. Thank you for welcoming him, Keith. Da, 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 da. All right, now. All right, now I don't think I'm this is scary to me. All right, let's take a breather here. Maybe I'm too tired. I'm going to open up this UTISHEF day one. All right, UTISHEF day one. This is a day, every candle's a day. Has this formed a buy stop or a sell stop for USD CHF D1? What is this right here? Let me start with this question. Jewish made a tiny demo. Sorry, this is a sell stop. Not from our Forex fund yesterday. I'll keep you updated progress. Thanks, Scott. Our money printer is back. Let's go get system. Sell stop. Sell. Thank you. Now you guys. Good morning, Shash. All right, now let's go ahead. And this is UTISHEF. Now I'm going to go to ERUSD. Watch. I'm pulling it over. I look up here where it says EURUSD, the biggest, most famous currency pair in the world. Is this a buy stop or a sell stop? Buy stop or a sell stop? Good morning, Stephen C. Scott says simple, but I do need an answer. So is this a buy stop now for ERUSD daily or a sell stop? Morning, everybody on TikTok. Now, the current one you're looking at, nice, excellent. Thank you for being there, TikTok, is a buy stop. No, Kevin Green. Look again. They do want to get off this pretty quickly because we have a buy stop in place. Blue line. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh, guys, we might have a blue line. Sell stop to the blue line on all 1 minute Indices. Oh, hold on. ER is a buy stop, correct. Buy stop, simple. Good morning. Good morning, trade your ass off. Good morning, Scott. There you go. So these are opposites. So whenever you want confirmation, let me pull this back. We got business to do, make some money. Whenever you're concerned with ERUSD, always check Udashef. You can see this gentleman was asking. You can see how this is a sell stop and that this one is a buy stop. They're on higher time frames. They're always opposites. So if one is going up, the other one is going down. Like you used to teach us a lot, but it kind of went over a lot of people's heads. It is a very, very good way to trade. If you wanted to trade like on the hourly or the 4 hourly or the daily and you saw opposite things forming, you can literally see the price going up and the price going down. Okay. That's all. I'm going to go back to 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line on all three indices, 1 minute buy stops. That's up to you which way you want to play this. This is fun. Oh my God. I'm going to the blue line here. Buy stop uh, officially on NAS, officially on all of them actually. But I'm going to play this myself this way. Buy stop. Let me get rid of this stupidest thing. To the blue line. Are you fucking kidding me? How beautiful is that trade right there? Let me take this. I currently have open only buy stops, and there's like 3 of them. I don't remember one for the day. But I'm telling you, boy, it sure is tempting. I'm gonna put one in right here. Okay. So I have a on the same chart, I have a buy stop and a sell stop. Don't have a heart attack. Oh, it's a buy. Oh, fuck, because it bounced off the yeah. Buy stop 5 minute US 30. Buy stop 5 minute NAS. Buy stop 5 minute SPX. Why the hell? Ah! Am I way down here on this current one? Hold on, I get this whoa. I really hope we get a little pullback, though. I really do, but that might have been it. Oh, shit. Are you fucking kidding me? These spreads and this volume so low in the morning with these damn things. Ugh, fine. And this should be lower right now. God dang. See, when you don't watch things, you get the ramming on your mouth. Entry should have already happened for this one. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop US 30. Oh, there's also a 1 hour buy stop US 30. And then you should about 1 hour buy stop SPX kind of should be in that buy stop or already been in the buy. I don't know how that works for you. It definitely should have been in your NAS 100 buy stop. Again, I was in a little late. Should have got in around here. You'd already be up about 20, 30 pounds of trade. All right. So let me go ahead and write these out while I have a second thinking about it. Da, 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 da. All right. Sell stop all 3 indices, 2 blue lines. But I don't like that one the best. 5 minute buy stop all 3. Uh, then it's a buy stop on the 1 hour too. Buy stop 1 hour, but I don't think you guys got all 3. And that is NAS FX US 30. Okay. And that's these current ones. Good, we got those in. Now the reason why I'm thinking sell stop. um, Again, if you take the trades on the NAS, you take the buy stops on that's great. You'll make money. It isn't a problem. Look, you're in the money. Look, 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 look. You're already in the money on US 30. Let me see. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're money. So you're in the money on your US 30 buy stop 1 minute. I don't think you're in the money on NAS unless you got in down here, which I doubt you did. That was when it first came on. And you're probably not in the money on SPX either because I think we put the lines in too high. I'm way too far away. We should have put them down here. I was talking right in my mouth. I was being an idiot. At any rate, so you're probably not in the money on that. You're definitely in the money on your US 30. All right. But at any rate, the sell stops are in place on 1 minute to the blue lines because I like it. I just think we might get it. If we do not, don't worry about it, just put it down below out of harm's way. This is way out of harm's way, actually too far out of harm's way. Now I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put this underneath here. Okay. So just there, it's just a just in case one, that's all. Don't really care, if it or not, that's fine. And then again, the NAS is there in case it comes back down. I don't have a problem with it. And then you're in the money about NAS. Your US 30 already up, whatever the hell this is, 5, 6, 7 pips. So whatever. I can tell you. Actually, I'm up 20, 30, 30, 40, $34. That's what I'm looking at in mine. And then I have a whole shit ton of, well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 buy stops going already. 2 on US 30, 1 SPX, and 1 NAS. All those are locked in profitable. So this is just extra money. But I just think we're gonna see a little pullback here momentarily. I just do. This isn't safety trade. There's nothing on there but me talking. I think that might be what you see. Be careful with that. All right. I'm so proud this even done lap. The buy stop in area started several days ago, right? Yeah, it started 7 days ago. Let's go to ERUSD. Matter of fact, let's whip through a whole bunch. I'll whip through about 12 of these symbols right now, and then we'll come back to what we're. This is a 1-minute buy stop ERUSD. 5-minute, 5-minute. Well, technically it is a 5-minute sell. 5-minute broken sell stop. 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. 4-hour buy stop. Daily, not. It's too late to get in. Yeah, you should have been over here. You should have been up 300 pips right now, but whatever. It does have more to go up. I do believe you're going to see it go up and touch the blue line. I do believe that it could get a little closer. Remember, I always say horseshoes and hand grenades aren't close enough. That's pretty close. I mean, if you're up 300 pips from that trade, which probably no one took, even though it was a daily, a beautiful thing of God. Um, ah, yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, no, it's too late. You can do individual things. Again, I always try to teach this, but some of you guys aren't in the training yet or don't understand or ripping it off from a site, trying to rip things off from scumbag sites, especially the one in Russia. Um, right here, green, 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 red, green, green. You put your buy stop above the line to the blue line, above the red line to the blue line, and yeah, you'd make money. So that's pretty cool. Um, uh, but yeah, that should have been an easy trade for everybody right there. I don't know why that would not have been. And then when you compare that with the other, so with inside of this daily trade going up are lit on daily, these are daily candles, are literally hundreds of 1-minute buy stops, probably 20, 30, 40, 55-minute buy stops, a dozen 15-minute buy stops, 5 or 10 1-hour buy stops, or more, probably 20 or 30 1-hour buy stops. So every time you see this, you can open up trades inside the daily, inside a 1 hour, inside the 5-minute, inside the 1-minute. There are literally tons of buy stops as this goes on up to the blue line. Just because you see the daily doesn't mean you won't see all the rest of these moving too. It's kind of funny when people say, "Well, I don't wanna trade daily." Okay, well, if you know it's a daily buy stop here, then this whole area up in here is nothing but free money because now you could just put every buy stop there ever was on the 1-minute, 5-minute, and so on, and you'll make shit tons of money that way. By the way, you're in a lot more money on your, US 30 buy, look at you go. Look at you go. In the money, called out live, you're in the money, you're 100% in the money. I don't think you even had drawdown. What's your drawdown? You don't get drawdown. Take your money, lock it in. Look at that beautiful trade this morning. You oh, look, there we go. There we go. Take that money and run. Take that money and run. I'm also in the money on my, SPX trades, not nearly anything. Look at that US 30 go. Look at that. You're welcome. Anyone out there? Tap, 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 tap. Look at that go. Okay, look at that go. Holy shitolas. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say you're in the money. Let's see, SPX has gotta be following. Yep, you're in the money on your SPX, all beginners should be out. I don't know if you got in where you should have, which would have been down here, you're up over a pip, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that's more than enough money to take and go home with. On NAS, it hasn't engaged yet. Matter of fact, right here. We're gonna ride it like da, da, da. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Close. Let's see this. I don't like having these things. If we can get them closer down here, I'm taking. Look at that money you guys just made on beautiful trade. Still have a sell stop in place, although it's looking kind of foolish right about now. Buy stop is through the roof on US 30. All of you could be done trading right now. Literally, that's 12 pips, 13 pips. The professional traders, what do they make? They make 10 pips a day. You're better than professional traders right now. And you're in the money on your SPX again. Nothing on on NAS at this time. But again, I still have sell stops in place because I'm an idiot. And I'll probably forget about them and look back at them in a day or two, for all 3 indices too. Looks like I'm a fool on that one, but, the call was buy stop. Take it. Oh, man, am I tired. See, gotta like it like that. Da 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 da. Let me see. Fill in the gap. 5-minute fill in the gap. That's what it did. Let me see NAS. No, NAS is still a 5-minute buy stop. Fuck that. It's a 5-minute buy stop. Is that what? Yeah. 5-minute buy stop, US 30, 5-minute fill in the gap, buy stop, US 30. NAS is a buy stop, 5-minute, and then SPX is a 5-minute fill in the gap buy stop, by the way. The fill in the gap, okay, let me show you if you can see on your other computer. Hold on. The fill in the gap thing I keep talking about right here, it's one of our rules. Hold on. This is what SPX looks like. It's a tiny gap. You see that little gap right there? The green's gonna come up. There's a black space right there. The green's gonna come up, touch the yeah, let me see what it looks like on US 30. Oh, much better. So on US 30, it was bouncing off okay, the US 30 one was undeniably easy. This is our logo. When we go over training today, I'm going to use this trade. Look at this. This is a fill in the gap, it's called, where you go to the green to the yellow. This is our logo that came below, up, and above. If you don't understand what our logo is, I'll show you. You guys got to have your rules printed out. Charts have to look like mine. If they don't, you'll be rescheduled, period. So this is our little thing. This is the back of our there it is. So these things, this blue line right here goes zoop, zoop, zoop is actually all we trade for an up. The down, this red arrow is all we trade for down. Zoop, 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 down. Okay. When you see that, how do you know that's that? Well, look right here. This is so easy. Oh my God. Da, 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 da. Look, boom, up, came back, retested, and went up. I know that doesn't look good. I know I'm a terrible drawer, but that pretty much is my version of what a buy stop looks like on the back of the whole thing. Well, I asked Chad. I got to get Chad's Chad can send me over. I'll have to ask. Keith, if you're here, can you ask your son to please send me the red and green arrow bull that he did? You can send that back to me. I'll use that as our just a plain well, I would like it in, PNG and JPEG if you could, but either way, I can convert it, doesn't matter. Anyway, this thing right here, my beautiful little drawing is supposed to be that blue pretty beautiful, but that's what my version of it is. Yeah, yeah, I'll stick with my day job. Alright, so yeah, that's why this trade is working out just perfect. This is what you guys are gonna learn. On the higher time frames, whenever it retraces, you're gonna see a buy stop. And as you can see right here, there is it's a broken one, but it's still a buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, pop, and we made our money. How much? It's still going up. I don't know. Pick a number. It was here. No, this is it. No, why am I what? Hold on a second. Well, this was our entry. We're up 21 pips this morning. Are you kidding me? You're about to see these go up. Yep, you're in the money on your every one of the new people, all you new guys out there, the newbies, you need to get rid of these. You're already up a pip. You should be out of your trade on SPX 500. It was a perfect call. It was a little high, but perfectly you to call on that. Just wait. Naz is going to be going up here in a minute. Naz, look at this fucking money. Beautiful. Nice trades. That is gorgeous to start the day off with. Just fucking gorgeous. 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 15 minutes stop, 1 minute buy stop, US 30 to the blue line, all 3 times buy stops, 4-hour buy stops. Yeah, these were all called out yesterday by the way. Yeah, this is 1 hour buys, 1 hour, 4-hour buys. Yep, look at that. Easiest trade you're gonna see. You're in the money of bouncing off the 1 minute, 5 minute. I was teaching you that inside of a daily, there's lots of 4 hours. Inside the 4 hours, there's lots of 1 hours. Inside of 1 hours, there's lots of 5 minutes. Inside the 5 minutes, there's lots of 1 minute. Well, you're inside of a 5 minute, 1 minute stop right now. That's a literal oh shit. Do I have anything else open? What are these? What are these? What are these? Oh, I'm gonna close these down. I don't know what they are. I don't want to get sucked into something. I bet you those are buys or sells I left open from the other day. Oh my God. Yeah, you don't want to go around leaving trades open. That is my number one. I just get excited and feel, look at that picture perfect logo trade. Picture perfect. I don't know. We'll go over that in training today. And for you scammers out there, you can't get to it because it's Zoom. Not that I don't give away all my free stuff here. So everyone that scams, please just stop and buy the system, what you're supposed to do. Karma is a real thing. It's a bitch. It'll come back and haunt you. Look at that money. Holy crap. Okay, where are we? Oh, let me take this down so I can read these. Da, da, da. Good morning, Tukey. Yes, I can check Deutsch. Not touching German 30. Look at it, I'm not touching it. Da, 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 da. Pokemon. Good morning, Pokemon. Yeah, the 30-minute buys were nice. That is correct. Look at that shit. I just thought we'd have another pullback to that blue line. They all come down. Do we have any news at 8:30 that can do that for me? I like using news. News sucks my ass. Look at that picture perfect. I'm gonna go over this with you again. I don't care. I'll teach all you scammers. That's fine. Ah, good morning now. Hold on. Let me go to YouTube. I'm so proud. Awesome. Yeah. Good morning, Nicholas Bird. I'm excited for trading too. Please, everyone, make sure that you understand that this training video will only be up for 2 weeks. You have to download it yourself to your own local computer. It will not stay up. Remember that, okay? And then make sure you have your chart looking exactly like mine or close to it. And then make sure you have your rules printed out. If you don't have those things ready to go, the rules and your things, we'll just have you scheduled for another day. Oh, yeah, it's the Stephen C. Got Upshaw after out. US 30 closing the gap on the 5-minute. Get out now. US 30 closing the gap on the 5-minute. Oh, no. No, 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 you don't get out now. That's absolutely no, that's not true. I don't Marty, have you had training? Just let that little sucker roll. Just let that little sucker go. Now you can go if you opened up 3, close 1 down, sure, but this is a 1-hour, 4-hour buy stop. No sense. You can lock in your profit by all means. Feel free to do that. You can do whatever you want. And if you wanna take that money out, whatever you got, 15, 20, 25, 30, whatever you can take it, do it. I would probably leave one open or at least break it even. So easy, says Scott Upshaw. Happy well, it is. You just gotta get used to it and trade. Dr. Matt's family, happy Friday trading, Kev and everyone. Thanks, Dr. Matt. You too, brother. Stephen C., happy Good Friday. Filescape, hi. Okay, is why you guys watching that close? Because they rarely close it. They close it for like Christmas, like New Year's, like the day after New Year's, whenever it falls. I don't know. I don't even think the 4th. I think it's open on the 4th. I think it's open on Memorial Day. I think it only closes a few times a year. They hate to close it. It's a $6.6 trillion a day money-making business. They are not going to close it. It's just well, might as well say a $7 trillion a day business. They're not closing a $7 trillion a day business now. They're just not. Ha ha. I don't look so foolish on my NAS 1 minute sell now, do I? Da 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 da. I don't know why. I just have that feeling it's going to those 1 minute blue lines on these. You're in the money now. SPX I'd close down. You should close down. It should be a close down right there. With the money like that. Da 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 da. Truck driving patriot. Good morning. 7 trade under 500 account had 418 and finished at 525, which is 25 with no loss system work. You just have to work system so easy to print money. Let's go. Yay! Congratulations, truck driver patriot. Congratulations. Sorry, such a way, but I heard my name. What do you need? Oh, hey, Keith. I was just saying, I jumped in on that US 30 cash money trade. Yeah, that was a nice, easy trade. Now be ready for that NAS, though. I'm telling you, NAS go. I think that NAS will go down to blue line. Just whisper it to you guys. All right, Keith, can you ask Chad, and I'll ask it myself, but, oh, shit, what was I asking Chad about? Oh, if he can send me the logo, the red and blue, this thing, he has it in green. If he can send me the, like, a JPEG and a PNG of that, of our logo, the bull with the, red and well, it's red and blue in my case, but if he can I think he changed that to red and green. So the bull stayed the same. This line was red, the blue line is green, and the blue lines in here were green. I think that's what he did. If he can send that over to me in JPEG and PNG form, that'd be awesome. Not a big issue if he can't, but if he could, that'd be freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Keith. No big deal. And again, I was giving you glory, trying to get everyone to hit a like button for you. Yep. I knew I should have done this thing. I guess I look like a fool on US 30. But, oh, boy, I think I'm looking pretty damn good on that NAS call, the 1 minute blue line. Yep, and engage mine. Look. Oh, I don't know why. You just gotta sometimes yes, it isn't a sell stop of fish. It's kinda dirty and stuff, and yes, I see it's a 5 minute buy stop. But why not make that little bit of money right there? You make that little bit of money right there. Let it go down a little bit. I like it. Look at that. I know y'all in the money on that sell stop on Nas if you took it. Oh my goodness. 6 pips, taking that one all day. I'm gonna lock that in right there. No problem. There you go. There you go. It's just one of those things. Don't ask. It's not a full on sell stop. I get it. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Oh, is SPX doing it too? Nah. SPX is just forming another nice little buy stop. Buy stop, SPX again, 1 minute, 5 minute, matter of factly. Let's take these two buy stop right here. This is off the 5 minute line, by the way. Oh, so much it is. Okay, then I'm not even gonna do the damn trade. Oh, look at it. Before I Jabuja, deleting it. Fudgicles. Top 1 minute, 5 minute. If you got in on it, I couldn't do it. You're still in the sell. I would be. And this is just a little slight pullback here. 1 minute. Just a picture perfect. You guys wanna take a picture of something? When you see this fill in the gap, when you see our logo formed right over here, and you see it come over here and go up, take the trade. Do it just like I did. If it goes up, great. If it doesn't go up, so what? And it keeps going down. That's why I called that for you. That was an easy one, right? I love it. SPX buy stop 1 minute, by the way. NAS is still doing its own thing going down. It's still a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Now, if you really want me to tell you what I would like this to do right now, I would like all 3 indices to fall. Ooh, oh boy, look at that 4-hour NAS. Just a look at this 4-hour NAS. Can this be any prettier? Look at the 4-hour NAS over here. Can that have been any prettier? Look at the money on that. I called this out yesterday. What did I call out? All 3 indices were 4-hour buy stops. That's the last thing I left you in. Just listen to those last calls I make for you. That 4-hour buy stop has been called for a few days now. Just a thing of picture perfect gorgeousness. Look at that. Boom, in the money. The perfect one was NAS. I told you that. That's the one that came down far enough. See, I would rather have US 30 fall. I would rather have US 30 fall back to this line on the 4-hour, which is a lot down. Do I think it's gonna do that? No, I'm telling you what I'd rather it do, though. Even fall down to its what was it? Oh, that already is. That's why it's doing it. This one right here. See your NAS? I'd rather have NAS fall down to its 30-minute line, fall down to its 1-hour line. Let it fall down. I mean, it's fine going up, and we're making our money now. See, it's bouncing off the 15. What it's gonna do right here, it's gonna do a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop, which is fine, but I don't know. I like it when it goes, "Look at that. Let it should come down further. I'd like this to come down further. Touch this red line right here for us." Alas, I never get what I want. Well, it's not true. But I mean, that would be nice. And I can get you guys in some better buys. But this 4-hour, I don't know what more do you want? What more do you guys want? These are 4-hour candles. You'd have literally had you would have had 16 oh, no, you would have had 12 12 or 16 hours to draw a buy stop line in. Buy stop SPX, by the way, 1 minute. If you can't buy, look at that. This is beautiful. Buy stop again, SPX 1 minute. Watch it go up before your very eyes. Watch it go up before your very eyes. The US 30 is still going up. Let's just sit here. Well, look, there it is. You're in the money again. There it is. That little push up is in the money again. It's so little volume right now. It's a very look at the US 30 keep going up. It's in the money again. And the US 30, let me be clear of what I am saying. The US 30 was a 1-hour, 4-hour buy stop. If you'll listen to me on that, 30-minute buy stop. Look at you're in the money. 15-minute, this is a fancy one. You don't know what none of you know what this is. Buy stop. 5-minute buy stop on the gap, and a 1-minute buy stop, 30 buy stop. So there's a 1-minute 30 buy stop, a 5-minute fill in the gap buy stop, a 15-minute, it's a special one, buy stop, a 30-minute buy stop, a 1-hour buy stop, a 4-hour 1-hour, 4-hour buy stop. Gee, I don't know why US 30 is going up. Jiminy fucking Christmas. Can I be any clearer? Ah, good morning, Rosh. 1-minute buy stop area. See, I bet you that's a good one too, Steven. Dr. Master, congratulations. Absolutely congratulations. Marty M. Well, that's what I meant. There you go, Marty M. Congratulations on your trading and making a great call. Binion, please let me check again. ER USD lower time frame. And ER, I can, but not right this second. I like to hear my voice ramble in the morning. German and Eastern, but it makes no sense for me why by me is close and by you not. I know, isn't that wild? Everyday wealth systems left around living proof of why you need to download the training videos. Yep, you need to download your training videos. I'll post them again when I talk to you guys. Gonna love me like that. Keith, I got you. Yeah, I asked him to do that. Thanks, Keith. And good morning to you, my brother. Such a good man. Keith. Had such fun with his brother. Oh, awesome times. Good morning from us today. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Allie. Good morning, Lee Johnson. Gotta love you like that. Naz down. Naz down. Watch. Well, I'm calling for NAS, SPX, and all of them to go down. Watch. See, there you go. There you go. Oh, who's in the money? Where's it going to? There it is. There it goes. So we're gonna have NAS to its blue line. Or are we gonna have SPX to its blue line first? Oh, NAS by a mile. NAS already has US 30. Watch this go down and touch the blue line. Oh my God. Sometimes you just gotta go with your little feelings. This was what I drew up or written out for you guys this morning. It's not a very good safety trade to sell stop. That's not why I called it, and SPX hasn't done it yet, so SPX is you're in the money on your SPX now. You can sell that if you're up. I'm way low. Um, yeah, you're in the money. You should have been in up here on that SPX, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yeah, I can't all my trades as best as I can. That's why I hate trading other symbols on these 3. In the money on your SPX. NAS has touched. Is that it? Yes. NAS has touched this blue line and gone through. Yep. NAS has touched the blue line and gone through. You can either close the trade down or keep it open, whatever you like to do. Let me see. Where's my cells? $109, $103, $105 on that trade down to the blue line. It was just one of those things that it hadn't touched yet. I don't know how to work. There we go. It's a thing of beauty. And it's still just forming a 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute buy stop, but I believe that's gonna be close to us. Hold on a second. Yeah, see, it's going down to I just was talking about it. It's going down to its 30-minute line, and hopefully it's 1-hour line, and then we'll see the reversal go later. So it is officially a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop now on NAS. Just a thing right to the blue line. I wonder if we can get SPX to that. Yes, it's gonna go down a little bit more too. Can it get to there? Yes. Yes, it can get to its blue line. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one. 1-minute buy stop, SPX 500. And I'm also calling unofficial sell stop, SPX 500. NAS, already in a 1-minute sell stop. 15-minute buy stop on NAS, 15-minute buy stop, soon to be 30. Well, definitely 15. Going down a bit. And then the only thing you can call for US 30, which we're in, a 1-minute buy, which you're up a shit ton of money on, 5-minute fill in the gap buy, which you made a shit, which is the perfect safety trade as far as logo safety trade goes. 15-minute, yeah, technically it's a 15-minute sell. 30-minute buy, 1-hour buy, 4-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour buy, daily buy, weekly, buy, and then this is a monthly buy. So if you go all the way across, if you have a 15-minute sell stop, yep, it is. So you can put one right over here and watch we'll drop one. I already have a sell in, remember, off the 1 minute, but I'm gonna put one off of this one too. We're gonna move it right to here. 15-minute sell stop. This is a full I can try to explain this to you guys. When you see all these things converge like this, when they're all one color, these are all red, right? Watch what it does. You have to go up a time frame. When you see that, you're gonna see that that has formed your, 30-minute buy. That's what this is. So that's why I was saying that 15-minute earlier was a buy, because you have to read it a certain way, and I don't teach that at all because it's just way anybody wants to learn. Oh, look, 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 look. 1-minute buy stop forming on US 30. You're gonna get in again if you want. You're to the blue line on your NAS. There's not much we can do on the 1 minute. That's look at this. Look, you are all of you that are beginners need to get the hell out of the trade. You're up $1, $2. I don't know when you got in. You should have got in up here somewhere where I was not in. So you're up 1, 2, 2, 3.5 pips, whatever it is. All beginners should be out of this trade right now. All beginners should be out of this trade on SPX, or open up 2, close 1, leave 1 open. You know, break even on that. That's fine. Let me see something SPX. 5-minute buy stop. 15-minute buy stop. You can run these off this line right here. Going down to the 30-minute line, going down to the 1-hour line. That's where it's going to. So you can stay in the sell stop, leave 1 open, but you can drop these on a different time frame if you want. So you can close these off. I'm heading over to the 5-minute. And then just put them over here and just wait. And let's see, that's SPX. NAS. Oh, NAS is on a mission. Where's NAS going to? Yep. NAS is going down to its 5-minute blue line. NAS don't give a fuck. NAS is going down. There's a touch. You have a 30-minute touch right now, right here. Thing of beauty. Let me see right here. 1 hour. Is it touched? I don't. It's got a little bit lower to go. It's going down to its 5-minute right here. If you guys haven't gathered, these blue lines are actually the red lines are close to it on the higher time frames. That again is a little advanced. I don't usually get into that with nobody, but yeah, that's also the same. There's just a lot of layers to it. Look at that thing of beauty. Holy shit. Don't care. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. I think I already have these open. I'm gonna drop in another one or two. This is why you guys see me have so many trades open sometimes. I just get a little carried away. NAS 15-minute buy stop. NAS 1-minute sell stop. You're in it. There's nothing you can do. US 30. Buy stop US 30. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. If it doesn't go up, it keeps going down. That's cool with me. Let me see where we're at on our 5-minute right here. Oh, come on. Damn this fucking Jesus. Okay, forget it. All right, let me see where we're at. Oh, it's a pretty good pullback. I like it. I'm telling you, you're going to see an interesting little thing right here. Keep that 1-minute sell stop open. It is officially a 1-minute buy stop in US 30, though. I would keep that trade open. I would keep my sell stop open. That's all I can tell you. I'm gonna open one up again right here. I'm gonna split the difference between these two. Buy stop 1 minute, but I'm unofficially doing a sell stop on that because I think we're gonna see it go down and hit its blue line again is what I think we're gonna do. Look at that. You ride the up. Now these are fast. These aren't slow. These aren't 4-hour trades, 1-hour trade. These are in, make 5, 10, 15, 20 pips, get the fuck out. Make your money. This is pre-market open. Look at this shit. 1-minute buy stop. Let me see where it's at on the 5-minute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it. Let it pull back a little bit more. Follow it down. And if it never comes up and keeps going down, that's perfectly fine with us. We don't give a rat's ass. SPX. SPX to its blue line. SPX to the 1-minute blue line. SPX, hold on. 1-minute blue line. Look at that free money giveaway Fridays. I love Fridays. There's your sells. There's your 2 pips. You should get out of the trade. If you have opened up 2 or 3, close down the 1 or 2 and leave 1 open. Perfection. Called out, which I looked like an idiot at first because I kept saying sell stop to the blue line, all 3. That's what I wrote out when I first came on. Sell stop all 3 indices to the blue line. 5-minute buy stop, buy stop 1 hours, all 3. All right. But at any rate, yeah, that one, NAS hit its blue line. And I do believe you're gonna see, I do believe you're gonna see US 30 go back to its fucking blue line again. Wow, let's just take a look. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Oh, probably first, though, is gonna be SPX. Let's watch SPX hit its blue line. Oh, it's so close. Is that not hitting? Nope, not hitting yet. Maybe it won't. Maybe that's as close as it gets. I don't know. Okay, this is fun. 30-minute. 30-minute, US 30, 1-minute buy stop. Also a sell stop to its blue line. It's gonna come back down to the red, here in 5 minutes for us in a minute. 15-minute sell stop US 30. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop US 30. Again, if you guys don't like playing the ups and downs, then don't do them. This is just kinda like to me, it's fun. It you know what it is. Nothing we can do on, yeah, it's gotta wait for it to pull back up. I'll be able to call it. Anyone that's on TikTok or YouTube will be able to call it for you. Buy stop, 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute buy stop on NAS. 1-minute sell, you're in. SPX, 1-minute sell, you're in, and a 5-minute buy stop. Well, I like it coming off 15 better. 15-minute buy stop. So there you go. I'm trying to give you updates as we go. Oh, there it is. There it is. SPX, 1-minute touch. Told you because it had to go down to 30. There you go. There, bam, baby. There's your touch on SPX. Here's your touch on NAS to the blue line. Again, let's see if US 30 did it. Did US 30? Bam! There's US 30 to the blue line touch again. Ha 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 ha. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Or you can keep one of this. I don't care. Fuck yeah. Look at that shit. Look at it go down. Where hold on, I guarantee you NAS is leading. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Where is NAS's 5-minute at? Is it down here? Oh shit. Can it down that low? It's already at its thing. I think the 1 hour it can. I bet you it can. Look at it. Woo! Oh shit. I'm about to get tapped out on my my buy stop from SPX. yesterday. Oh shit! Now that's look how close he's tapping this out. I'm only gonna make. I'm only gonna oh, it's gonna tap it. I'm only making 63 pips profit. Are you kidding me? You know how incredible that is? Still open. Let's watch and see it go out. When it goes out, this red line will disappear and the green line will disappear. Watch. Let me see if I can see my nabs. Oh, it's not coming on there. This is gorgeous. This is fantastic morning. There it goes. See that? The red and the green line went away. That's when your sales take profit. So when mine now that SPX 30 is done, look at it go. Holy shit. Can we get the NAS touch? Can we get the NAS to touch? Can we NAS first. NAS first. Who wants NAS first or SPX first? 5-minute blue line touch. Who's it gonna be? NAS. NAS. Can US 30 bring up the rear? No. US 30 is not gonna bring up the rear. NAS. Oh wow, that is fucking funny. That is so much fun. Holy crap. Let me go over to SPX over here. What a blast. What a blast. I hope you all making money on those fucking calls. What a blast. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. Boom, baby. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Nice. To the oh my god. Oh, SPX. Yes, sir. Don't mean maybe. Yes, sir. Don't maybe. NAS. Oh my gosh. US 30. I don't know why. Sometimes the, indicators show exactly what we're doing, and that's all fine and dandy and great. And then sometimes you just gotta listen to 9 years of experience in trading. Look at it. Shit, it's gonna tap out my US one of my US 30 ones. Oh, shit. It's about to tap it out. Oh, there goes my profit. I'm only gonna make on this oh, there it went. Oh, shit. There goes US 30. There went one of my long-term holds on US 30. Oh, I probably made a few thousand on that. I can check. Hold on, let me see what was in. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. That is a thing of beauty. Let's see. Where the hell is that trade at? Do I haven't been backwards? Buy. I made no, it's not NAS. That's US 30. Hold on. All right, fuck. Pull up my symbols. Oh, I've made a lot of trades this month. Hold on. 4-7. 4-7. What's the time then? How about we do that? Oh, come on. Was that not my big trade? Look at all these sales. What a thing of beauty. What a thing of beauty. Oh, I still have my big buy stop in four. Hasn't been hit. My big buy has not been hit. Oh, oh, oh. That's funny. Let me go over to US 30 and go to higher time. Look at this money. Well, I'm way down here. I'm still way down there. Oh my God. I hope you guys are printing money here. Ho, 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 ho. Holy shit. Look at you. I think you're gonna hit. Oh my God, it's gonna hit the 5-minute front. Look at that drop. Holy fucking shit. I think US 30 might hit that fucking 5-minute first. Oh my gosh, hold on. You see NAS again? Oh, let us get another sell stop. Hold on. Ho, 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 ho. This is fun. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I can't call it. Oh gosh, I hope you guys, some of you caught that. Look at that. Straight to the blue line. Look at that. Straight to the blue line. Look at US 30 past its blue line. Oh, US 30 might be the first one to its oh my gosh. Look at the money. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Where are we at with this? Hold on. I have 2 long-term buys open. I have NAS still open and US 30 still open. And I have been tapped out of my SPX long-term buy. Sells. I have well, I guess I can show you. These are my current trades. Again, you should be out of your SPXs. Sorry, yeah, I know. You guys should, you guys want me to leave this shit open. I'm sorry. I forgot to do that too. These are the trades. Those are your times in. These are all from today. I do have 2 longer term buys still open. It did tap me out on one of mine, the SPX buy. I took profit on that. Look at those US 30s. I mean, sometimes you just gotta play what you gotta play. I mean, no, they were not in there. No, they were not sell stops. Sorry. That's called life. I can't give you guys everything. I mean, that's why I do have a mind. 15-minute sell stop. What do you wanna call that? There you go. Current call made right here. I'm gonna rechange this because now we have to take out that 5-minute buy stop. There you go. There it is. I don't know. You guys trade however you wanna trade. If you don't like trading those 1 minute, 15 minutes, just chill. Although 15 minutes seems like that's more than capable and now and we really, 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 as I was saying, want these 4 hours to go down to this red line. If we can get that much of a drop today, I'd be thrilled. Oh, I'll make you guys so much money later on. Look at that. Yeah, I'd really like these to go down. If we can see these go all 3 indices go down to their red lines right here, shit, are we gonna make some money? And we'll make a whole bunch of money on the way down, by the way. Can we do that? Maybe. A strong maybe it could go down that far, yes. Yes, it is a strong maybe. Is it likely? Yes, it is actually likely. It's too far away. We don't have not had our logo form on the 4-hour yet, so we're waiting for the logo form. We have it formed on the 1-hour left and right all the time, which is still a 1-hour time. This 4-hour has not gone down far enough for us to form. This needs to turn red. The fake out indicator needs to turn red. Once this turns red, then yeah, we can get there, but that's all right. This is a far again, I'm looking way, 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 way fucking ahead. Screw that shit. Don't worry about it. Look at those trades. Can you get any more sell? All you should hang out. I don't know how many people are on TikTok or YouTube or whatever, but all of you should hang out. Eventually, let me grab this thing. You know, we're gonna see our down logo over here, which is where you can go to purchase. And you'll see the red arrow form right here. On the back of purple. All we trade is the blue and the red. It's soon to be the green, obviously. I don't know why the hell it's blue. That's made up by this guy. Red down, boop, boop, just like that. Doop, doop. That's all. And then what that is looks like this when it's drawn out. Where's my drawing tool? Right here. You'll see price come down, come over, retest, and then it came down. Well, you're going to see that again right here. It's going to come down, come over. It's going to actually come up like this, look, and then come back down. When that happens, you're going to see this fake out indicator right here turn to green. This is our heads up one. And then you'll see the most important indicator ever, the box stay red. And then this will turn green and these will all stay red. When this pulls back up now, you guys are all going to have another opportunity to get in. You're all going to have another opportunity to get in. This won't just happen here on this particular one. This will happen here on US 30. It'll pull back up. And it'll happen again on SPX. Am I certain that it will come down? After that, no. Am I 100% it will eventually go up in this form green? 100% yes. Now, will it flip and come back down after that? That's up to God. We'll be prepared for it to do it, and you guys will all make a shit ton of money. That's up to you. Okay? Now, I haven't looked at YouTube in a minute. Let me see YouTube. Hey, Kev, I sent you an email. Please check it over. It contains information about someone using namespace trade. I'm not sure if one of our members or if they have your permission. Thank you very much. Yeah, if they don't list my name, like Kevin Grego's the safety trade, it's probably not mine, and we'll take them down and sue them. But I still can't believe how easily one of the stores gave up every person's name and bought a shitty version of it. Oh my God, how embarrassing. So yeah, we're gonna be. So we already got one lady in Chicago. We have a criminal attorney now that'll be prosecuting her, and hopefully she's obviously not going to go to jail, but she's obviously going to be paying $5,750. BRUSD broke the block, may go down for a bit, says Dr. Matt. Okay. Good morning, Lee Johnson. Good morning, Marty. Good morning, Dr. Spandler. Good morning, Steve. Thomas Stam. Private use past training sessions posted on YouTube. Kind of. You can look through 430 videos, but if they're actually training sessions, then no, they're not. I have a feeling that US 30 comes down. What do you think? Yes, sir. And there we are. And that's why when these are called out, you guys might want, even though it was looking stupid there for a minute, when I said all three indices to the blue lines, yeah, you might want to listen to that one too. And this 5-minute now is turning into 50-minute buy stop. And this pullback, I'm gonna leave this line up here until we see this arch back up again. Once we see this come up, go above the red line here for a little bit, then we'll call a sell stop. SPX to the blue line, correct? Hey, Kev, I just sent you an email. Yes, we talked about that. NFP coming up. Oh, hey, non-farm payroll at 8:30. Woo! Bring it on, non-farm payroll people. NFP, it's called NFPA, NFP, NFP, QQQ, QQRST, STUV, Lee BB, you and me. They love this news. They love to fuck with it. The way the news will play out according to whatever the system is, you have to follow the system and its rules. Okay. Yeah, the spreads are much higher today. Much higher today. NFP suck me. Yes, sir. Especially from 5-minute line. Yeah, it's gonna be a toss-up on that one. They're gonna pull back now though, and then flip and come back down again. NAS 100, Super NAS 100. How can you watch those trades? SPX. The bottom indicators coming. What do you mean? SPX? Well, there's nothing. Again, what I'm telling you is there's nothing I can tell you other than the fact that I have 9 years of trading experience on this. You don't now. This is a fill in the gap sell stop right here. So this is absolutely a sell stop, fill in the gap. This red will come down, touch this yellow, red, red. I don't. It's fine. I'd rather be up here. Now, how did I know this was going to go down this morning when I first woke up with one eye open? And I said, and it looked so long for about 20 minutes there. Where it said sell stop, all three indices to their blue lines, and then 5-minute buy stop. But that 3-minute sell stop is where we were at. It's because just 9 years trading experience. I don't know how else to word it to you. You just kind of got to go with it. I knew that US 30 had already hit it once back here. That's where we came in at. I said, "Oh, that's interesting. Has NAS done it?" And nope, it hasn't. And SPX guys, I said, "Nope." That's when I said sell stop for all three. And that's what they're doing. Now you're about to see fill in the gap. This is what's called a hard fall. They do this a lot where they're not, oh shit, it's too far away. I can't call. Okay, well, here, this is right before. Lock in your profits, first of all. Then you have to go over here, and I'm going to call out what I'm calling out. You're in a 1-minute sell stop, all three indices. Then I'm calling for a 15-minute buy stop, all three indices. You have to be ready. If you don't know what it is, stay out of the 1 minutes then and go into your 30 minutes and just wait. It may go up, it may go down. I don't give a rat's ass what it does. As soon as it spikes up, 1 or 2 or 3 pips or down on SPX, I will take my money out. I'm teaching you how to trade NFE or any stupid ass fucking pile of shit news stuff. What you're gonna do is come over here, put your buy stop, and I'm gonna have so many of this thing shoots up. Buy stop right here on NAS 100. The 15-minute buy, you can clearly see it's a buy right here. Look at it. It's green, 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 red, green, green. Boom, buy stop up. So while you're waiting for that to come, just put your buy stop in multiple times if you want. And when NFP comes up, and if they spike NFP up like this, right? It goes up. It goes up, right? And you're up 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 pips. You will take profits. And if you don't, you're a fool. Now, if you open up 2 or 3, then fine. Close 2 down, leave 1 open. That's cool. Make it to break even, but it's going to happen fast. When it's moving fast, I forgot who the guy was on here whining the other day when something like this happened. Don't come on here whining. If you can make 20 pips in 10 seconds, that's double what professionals make all day. Take your money and get out of the trade. NFP, NFP. What are we going to do about NFP? Buy stop. All the indices, higher time frames, 30-minute, 1 hours. And if it goes up and you're a lot of money, don't come whining to me if you don't take profits. Oh, you guys. All right. Now, that's what I'm calling. All right, am I clear? This is a 1-minute sell stop and a buy stop 1 hour, all 3 indices. I don't like the 5-minute buy stop, all 3 that's been changed now since the fall. The sell stop you're in, the sell stop you can take, profit. I'm taking these down, these. And by the way, if nothing else, just remember, oh, yeah, that's the one, my bad. But there's been a 4-hour buy stop on, so just ugh. All right, let's go back to the 1 minutes. Fill in the gap. Is it happening? I hope it doesn't. I wouldn't get caught in that one. Wait for this pullback like this, meaning let it come back up and at least touch its line. Look how far away we are from the 5-minute, not acceptable on US 30. Look how far away we are on the 1 minute, on the 5-minute. That's not way not acceptable. We are too far away. This needs to pull back. You need to see this pull back and up. Doesn't mean it can't go down. I'm just telling you that it needs to pull back and up. It is a hard fall. It might just keep going, and we might not be able to get in again, but that's life. Now we're gonna wait right here, pull this out of the way. 1-minute sell stop, all 3 indices. You should already be in it, and if you're not, you can get in it after, it rises up, it does the little, logo. Will it do the logo? I don't know, maybe. Ooh, that's beautiful right there. This is now sell stop to the blue line again. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. I'm gonna there, trading. So, I don't wanna get caught in anything. I'm gonna put it down here. Don't get caught, but I'm putting a sell stop in on NAS. I think that's the number one reason why you guys lose trades. Well, number 1 is you put your stop losses way entirely too close. The number 2 is you get sucked into the trades before they should be. This trade isn't a long trade. It is not close to the 5-minute. You should wait for this to come back up towards the 5-minute. Hence my drawing showing you to wait for it to come back up. Does that mean that this fill in the gap will not come down and fill in the gap? No, actually, it probably will come down and fill in the gap right here. Want me to put my thing on it, we can watch this over here on US 30, we can watch this over here on NAS. I'm just telling you that this is not as strong as trade as what you'd want to take right now. It is even a full-on safety trade, it is a fill in the gap, it's not close to the 5-minute for confirmation, it's okay trade, it's not the so we'll just sit here and wait, and that's US 30, and I have NAS on the left. And out of the 2, I would think NAS is gonna go down, uh complete it 'cause it's strictly going down to its blue line again. I think you'll see NAS come down and touch its blue line here. Alright, we got money on US 30 going. Sorry, guys, I haven't been reading anything. About 11 minutes to NFP. Good morning, Wayne Bob. Who will get to the 5-minute blue line? Interesting question. I am 99% sure that NAS is gonna hit its blue line before, watch. Let's go over to NAS real quick. It's back. NAS is gonna come down and touch it first, though. I can tell you that one. Yeah, see, that's just a fill in the gaps. Nothing you can do. It's far away. I mean, you could take this trade if you want. That's up to you how you handle it. Lock in your trades, lock in your profits, whether you're in buys, whether you're in sells, just lock them in. Just remember, hit thumbs up is an easy way to say thank you. Thank you for saying that. That's all about the spread earlier. I thought it would be mine. Only the one. Yeah, it is. It's just a slow morning. That's why they're doing that shit. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Good morning, bootlegger. Morning, bootlegger. That's my problem for sure. All right. Now, oh, TikTok people. When you say buy stop, future. Hold on, let me look. I haven't looked at TikTok. Sorry, guys. What's up, TikTok guys? No, I'm not gonna look at German 30. What's your prediction for GBP USD and NFP day? Ed's asking GBP USD. Well, that's what the charts say, not what I say. So let's take a look at GBP USD. NFP. NFP. Pushing P. Okay, well, I could already tell you this is gonna be analysis for GBP USD. Someone asked for it. Well, obviously, we're in a sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Are we it's already been to the 5-minute. Look at the 5-minute sell stop. I have 2 of them drawn. I guess we don't need to. Look, my gosh. I think even the beginners, I think even the scammers from Russia know what the hell this is. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line, money. So that was a given. I don't even know how else you couldn't have gotten one. That's the easiest thing since sliced bread. Okay, so that's a given. So you're asking what it's gonna do at 15-minute sell stop, 30-minute sell stop, 1 hour buy stop, 4 hour. You want me to tell you exactly what it's gonna do? You're gonna see it go down. You're gonna see it go down to this red line right here, probably well below it. So you'll see well, what I prefer it to do, let me be exact. I prefer this to go all the way down here, price action to go down to the red line and below it, forming a red line here, red formation right here on our histogram, the fake out histogram, which it is right here. And then I would fully suspect it to be a buy stop to its blue line. That's exactly what I suspect it to do. It'll go down, touch the 4-hour red line, or go below it, and then it will rocket up to the daily blue line. Then the weekly will kick in. You really want me to keep going? This is what's called the global reset. This same pattern right here is on ERUSD. Look at them. GBP US. There you go. You have your pullback up. And then you'll have a weekly sell-off. And then after the weekly sell-off, well, we'll be in a digital currency and everybody will be fucked. But that's my view on that. So there's your GBUSD analysis, exactly what will happen. Now we're going to go back to ours. Sell stop 1 minute. This is a thing of glory in God. Oh my God. You guys do what you're going to do. Only trade demo, blah, blah, blah. I'm not a financial advisor, blah, 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 blah. 15-minute buy stop. I'm sorry, 30-minute buy stop. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute. This is fucking fantastic. You guys are getting a blessing from God right here. Sell stop. Sell stop US 31 minute. Sell stop. NAS 1 minute back to its blue line. Will it do it? I don't know. If it comes down, am I taking that trade? Yeah. I'm taking that trade. I'm gonna take this sell stop to the bank. I don't give a shit what. And when NFP comes around and the shit starts flying up and down miles and miles an hour, don't come back, "Oh, Kev, it went down when you set up and you went up when it's like, get the fuck out of here. You don't understand trading, my way of trading, then get the system and learn." Sell stop 1 minute. Sell stop 1 minute. This is a thing of beauty. Buy stop, that's either 15-minute or 30-minute. I'm again sticking with my predictions from this morning. Here's what it's gonna do. There you go. Now let me see over here. So if you can make 15, 20 pips on a sell on SPX, well, hell, if you can make 1 or 2 pips on a sell on SPX, take the money and run. If you can make, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 pips in 20 seconds, 10 seconds on NAS, take the money and run. You can make 30, 40, 50 pips in 10 seconds on a sell on US 30, take the money and run. I don't want to hear about you greedy pigs. It's going up like this. I'm going to do it again. Oh, price went up, Kev. I didn't see it go up. Oh, I'm bad drawing lines. Don't come at me. Don't even attempt to say anything to me. If you can make 5, 10, 20, 30 pips on US 30 when it shoots up like this, and then it drops back down again, take the money and run. Am I clear? Look, it's obvious. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX. It's also obvious. Well, god dang. You should already be in to see this is where you're getting ugly. It is also, well, 1 hour buy stop SPX. 1 hour buy stop NAS. 1 hour buy stop US 30. So they're all obvious. You don't want to play the downs and play the up. But if this thing spikes up a little bit like this and it comes up just a little bit for a second and then shoots down to that blue line like this, do not come whining to me. Well, I got trapped in. I was only up 10, 15, 20 pips on US 30. When you didn't sell, I don't know what to tell you. I hope I'm clear on that. I hope I'm super clear on that. God. Watch some of these people are gonna come back. And if you don't, then don't trade NFP. Sit on the sidelines and wait and watch. How about that for an idea? 4 minutes, non-farm. I have another name for NFP. I'll say it on thing when I'm done. Oh man, US 31 minute. It's official now. It looks like it's gonna be official anyways. Okay. I don't know if you're in the money, but you're in the money on US 30, sell, lock in profit. You're in the money on US 30, sell, lock in profit. You're in the money on US 30, sell, stop, lock in profit. You're in the money on US sell, stop. You're in the money on SPX, sell, lock in profit. You're in the money on SPX, and no, I'm not from the future. Sell. Watch NAS come down next. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on NAS. There's NAS drop down before I called it. No, I'm not from the future. No, I'm not an alien. I told you it was going to go back down to the blue line. There it is. There's the system. You're in the money. Sell. Don't come back to me whining. No, you're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on SPX. Buy the damn system. Learn how to see the future for yourself. Safetytrade.com, 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 safetytrade.com. Buy. Why do you guys keep sitting here trying to get scam systems that are nothing like mine? There you're in the money. There you're in the money. Well, it's not a lot of money, Kev. Well, fuck off. It's money. Take your money, get the fuck up. It's 10 pips. It's more than professional traders make in a day. You're at 10 and pips right there. Take the money and get out. You're welcome. There's your NFP. Oh, but NFP is going to go up a lot. I don't give a fuck. You just made your money again before NFP. Damn. Swear to God. Anyone out there on YouTube, am I preaching to the choir? Am I preaching to myself? Did any of you just see the call made? Did any of you just see the call made on NAS before it happened? There it is. It's just doing what it does. Now, if you don't want to do these 1 minute, 1 hour, and wait for a buy stop, I'm sticking to my signals. 1 minute sell stop right here. All three indices went to their blue line, by the way. I was 100% correct with that. And now buy stop all three indices 1 hours. I don't give a fuck. You guys, you want to trade. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, but holy crap, come on. Oh, it's going to go up, Kev. Why did it go up? Well, let's see. There happens to be a 1 hour buy stop on all three indices. Let's see. Gee, I don't know. There's a 15-minute one right here on NAS. Why did it go down, Kev? Why did it go down? Because it's a 1 minute sell stop. Well, you're talking on both sides. No, this is how you trade. Now, if this was after 9:30, it'd be a lot easier to hold into and keep the trades longer. We were pre-market open on a slow day. Here we go. Let's see what it does. Look at that. Such beautiful money. Such a beautiful setup. We're gonna hold one open here, and I'm gonna open up a, NAS over here. We're gonna make this do the 1 hour. What was that? 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy on the left, 1 minute sell on the right. Oh, I don't wanna be in NAS, though. Hold on. There we go. And there you go. All right. I don't know what's happening. What's your prediction? That's my prediction. What's up, Adam? Good morning, Adam. What's your prediction for US report? Just went over it in detail with you. Hey, bro. Data in 30 minutes. Yeah, I can give fuck less. SPX drop off. How does BBJBY? I'll look at that later. It's from the future. Buy stop? What it means when you say buy stop means a pending order. That's all. Please state that. SPX red. Look at that money. What? No, right? Okay, now we're open. Look at it do its thing. There you go. There you go. Look what they're doing. This isn't 8:30 yet. What it's doing. You're already in the money on your US 30 NAS 100 buys, by the way. You're in the money on your US 30 buys. You're in the money. Look, you're in the money on your US 30 buys. Again, get out of the fucking trade. Could I be any clearer? You're in the money. You're in the money a shit ton on your buys. You're in the money 30 pips. If you didn't take profit out at 30 pips, you're a greedy pig and you get what's coming to you. If you did not take profit out at this point on those buys that they just gave you, then you're a greedy pig. NAS did it. Let me see if SPX did it. SPX did it. Look at it. They cleaned out the lower, they're going up with it. There it goes. And gee, I don't know, what's the system called out? What have I written out? There's your money, there's your shit. They did it before 8:30, by the way. Now it's I see that's 8:30, 31. There's your money. Take your money out on your buys. There's no reason to stay in the trades any longer than you have to. Look at the fucking money you just made. Keep your buy stops up here. You're up 30 pips on NAS. You made a shit ton of money. Look at it. What are these things called? 30-minute, 1-hour buy stops. These 4-hour buy stops. Everything was called. I wish this would have dropped lower for us, but it is what it is. Yeah, I really wish this would have dropped lower for us, but it is what it is. Look at your money. Look at the system. Look at what you did. Now you say, oh, the 1 minutes were sell stops. The 1 minute's they even gave us more money on the 1 minutes right here. You should have been out on the US 30. That's 15, 20 pips. And again, it went down to its blue line right here before open, and it went down an extra 30 pips for you on NAS. So again, I don't want to hear anyone that is 4 pips on SPX. What was the US right here? So yeah, you made your 20, 30, 40, 50 pips total on those. This is this simple. I don't know what to tell you guys. If you can't see these are buy stops long term and you didn't take them after I've repeatedly told you, I don't know what to tell you. Look at how beautiful. That's all I can say. Gorgeousness. Gorgeous. What was this one? No, it was NAS was the 15-minute. Look at NAS's 15-minute buy. Just perfect. NAS was perfect yesterday on a sell, by the way. And you could have got in again on the buys, by the way. They keep dipping it down for you to re-enter and re-enter and re-enter. Look at that fucking money. Woo! Watch the 30. If you guys aren't rich off a fucking US 30, it's 100 pips. Sell. If you have 2, 3, 4 open, sell. I don't know what more you guys can want. 2, 3, 4 pips. 2, 3, 4 pips. If you're up to 100 pips, sell. If you're up 200 pips, sell. I don't know how greedy you guys can be to do whatever you think you're doing. Just crazy. Just crazy. All right. I have a few open orders just on my buys. I guess I can, and I kept open. Remember, they tapped out my SPX buy when it came down so low. Look at that money. Look at the money. There's your money. And I've still been in. You can't tell me I don't know what the fuck's happening because I've been in this trade since last Wednesday, 329. I'm still in a buy on 329, and here's the buys from this morning. Yeah, 15:30. So, at any rate, these trades were called out. These trades are made all live from the blue line up, from the last two up. Let me pull this down here. I know you guys like seeing this open. Look at it. Oh my God. I don't know what to tell you. This trade was from yesterday. The trade before that, that $8,000 trade was from last Wednesday. That's what that is, and these are buys, and these are current. Look at the fucking money you guys are making. Look at the fucking money you guys are making. My God. My God in heaven. Look at the money. Look at the money. Look at the money. Oh, wow. That's crazy. SPX. Let me see my SPX one. Look at this shit. Gee, I don't know what to tell you guys. It dipped down a little and pulled back up again. It didn't dip down as far as I wanted it to. I mean, you can't say these aren't buy stops. I don't know what to tell you. I can't help you guys any more than what I'm doing. Look at the fucking money. Take your money, go home, spend the whole weekend with your family, enjoying the fact that you were able to call out a 160 pip trade before it happened. Look at the money. Look at this money. I don't know if you guys can't see this, but holy crap. Green, 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 red, green. What more do you guys want? I color coded a system for you guys to make money. Oh. If any of you didn't make money, I don't want to hear it. Let me look over here. Uh, Thanks, Kev. Appreciate it. Good morning. That's my Bronco for sure. Let's go. Buy stop. That's playing out well. You think well, Shash? Kev, I made $459 buy stop. Nice, Roche. Rush. No, so only one person out of 71 watching, we called NFP, predicted perfectly, played the down, bought it on the up, and one person only is saying thanks. I'm gonna log off of YouTube. I'm done. If there's one person on YouTube only saying thanks, I'm done. How many are over? I'll go over to TikTok with a nobody. Good morning. Who is this? Mayo. Hope you know. Hope you know what, douche. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. TikTok, if there's no one thanking on TikTok, I'll come back on and maybe in an hour or 2 when Bree gets up. I'm done. This is the easiest fucking system on earth. It's color coded. It's literally calling out trades days and hours. I had this all 3 I stopped from 3 days ago on the 4-hour. Let me give you a hint. I can already tell you what happened. Let me see Bitcoin. Nope, Bitcoin is not done it. Okay, well, that's fine. I'll take a look at that later. Look at it though. No, 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and say that what it was called. There's your, US 30. Here's your 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop NAS. And yeah, matter of fact, you're a little late getting into that one, quite frankly. Alright, broken cell. 5, 5, 5, 5. Can we get a sell on this? Sell. It's a broken, so I'm gonna put another buy in on this on let me see something here. Sell. I don't yell at me on this. We made our money up. I'm gonna go ahead and call a 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line on NAS. Also another buy-in on that. I can't call anything else. 18:30. No. If SPX pulls back too, I'm gonna buy it again. So yeah, let's do this again. There it is to the blue line. This NAS is cute as fuck. Are you kidding me? We'll get another chance to get a sell there. Buy stop. NAS, 1 minute. It's not a full-on safety trade, but fuck it, I'm gonna take it anyways. If it comes back up, I'm taking let me and then it's also let me go over here to the 5-minute. Yeah, it's also gonna I'm gonna split the difference here. Sell stop NAS. This is only NAS. NAS. There you go. Alright. Let me see SPX. Look at how beautiful that was. And don't tell me you didn't have time to get out of your trades when they were at whatever price point they were. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. We're in NAS $11, $15 on a sell on NAS. Yeah, there it goes. I can see NAS going down, hitting its 5-minute. I do. SPX, I can't call the same for. I'm sorry. SPX, I can't. It's not the same. So if it goes down, there's nothing I can do. Matter of fact, if it goes down, I'm gonna put another buy stop in. US 30, I can't call anything. It's not going down slash or up. I mean, if you wanted to risk going back, then you can on US 30, but I wouldn't do it. There's nothing. NAS buy stop right above the line right here, and let's see if we go in. And then SPX, it's I can't call it. So we have a, NAS 1-minute buy. We have a NAS 5-minute sell. And then you just wait. If this is a NAS is the buy, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be happy. I think so. Alright, careful. If you're in this trade, you might have got sucked into it. I believe I'm in it. I'll check. Price went up, price came over, price is over here. We crossed right here. You're gonna go ahead and I probably shouldn't show you all that. I'll wait on that. Yes, there's no stop ways of doing it. I'll just show you when we're doing our training. Yep, it's about to I'm gonna lose. I'm down $67 on that trade. Yep, it's tapped out. I'm gonna be down $76 on that trade. Son of a fuck. All right. Let's see the 5. And that's all you can do. You gotta play what you see. If you don't see it on SPX, like this one, for instance, you can't chew it. There's nothing you can do. There is no sell stop in it. I can't call it. So it's a buy. So if I see SPX come back down a little bit further to its red line, I'll call a buy on it again. That's all I can do. US 30, same way. There's nothing you could. It's too big of a pool now. You just have to wait patiently, which you guys are more with. I'll try to look somewhere else for things. Da, 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 da. Fill in the gap, buy stop 1 minute US 30. Fill in the gap, buy stop, fill in the gap, buy stop, right here. 1 minute US 30. Can you see it on that chart? You can see it on my other chart better. It is a fill in the gap though. NAS, can't call it. Oh my God. Yeah, all I can say is 1 minute buy stop, 5 minute sell stop. Oh, motherfucker went back up again. I put my stop loss too close. I have other NAS options. I'm not worried about it. In the, on your NAS, buy again if you took it again, which you should have, which I did. That's my other line right here. In the money on the buy stop on NAS. Yeah. Oh, and then I have, yeah, that US 30s is filling the gap. Nothing we could have did with that one. You're in the money on it. If you took it. I didn't take it, but if you wanted to take it, you could. But SPX, you're in the money. It should be out of the trade. Uh, NAS is in the money. Nice. I'm so glad we re-entered. Perfect. And I can't call anything in US 3. It's a fill in the gap. What you'll see happen now is that this green um, uh, fake out indicator is going to come up. The green little histogram bars will come up and then touch the yellow, and the black space will fill. You'll see price go up. In other words, that's what you're seeing on that. And then let's see. That is, which one is that? US 30. Let me see. Yes. NAS is just, it is what it is. I know it. I don't know how to tell you that. It's just me trading. And then this is a fill in the gap SPX buy stop. So you're in the money on the fill in the gap if you took it, which I did not. But of course, I'm still in my earlier trades. NAS 100, I did re-enter. Then we're in the money on that one. And then I lost that $76, I think it was. And then we're up over that now. We're up $88 up over, actually. This is your fill in the gap, US 31 minute. So it wasn't a very good pullback. It needs to come back further. But it is what it is. You'd have made money on that trade. Let me see my NAS. Yeah. You just sit there and wait. All right. That was fun. That was a fucking blast. Oh, well. Screw NFP. We made money down and we made a huge amount of money on the way up on the buys. Buys were called out on the hours. Oh, oh. Just woke up. Hey, Sue. What's up, Aces? Make money. Go. Thank God. Hey, Dr. Matt. Oh, gee, good morning. Seems I missed the buy on US 30. Yeah, that was the NFP bullshit on all indices. Yeah. I'm excited to learn. Thank you, Kevin Bri, Joe and Cindy. What's up, Joe and Cindy? Good morning. All right. Thank you. If I sit and grab $1 to $5 wins with 100% win rate because this. Oh, Suki, great job. Hope you know. Good morning, bud. All right. So buy stops are all in the money. I guess I'll whip through some of this aftermath here. I'm going to go on to about 12 different symbols, I believe it is. Let's go over gold first. Sell stop gold. 5 minute. Yeah. Sell stop 1 minute, 5 minute gold down to the blue line. Gold will come back down here and hit this line. Whatever. I can't believe gold's in the 2000s. How exciting is that? Don't forget about your buy stops in all three indices, by the way. I got to update that one too. That came. All right. This is gold. Gold 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute gold. Nothing too late. Too late. 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. Buy, buy, buy. 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Again, what I would like it to do on the 4 hour is for price to come down to this red line. Will it do that? I don't know. But just like the call from this morning and the call from yesterday and the call from 4-4, this is a 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy stop on gold 4-hour daily. You're a little late, dollar late. This is a buy stop on gold. You could have got gold at 1800. The fuck it is now. You could have made that money. Weekly, don't care. It's a fill in the gap weekly. It's going to go up some more, but I don't know to where because we're out of our monthly. All right. So that's what you got on gold. Gold. Sorry, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. 1 minute buy to the blue line. It's going to go 5 minutes to the blue line. You're going to see Bitcoin go up to its blue line. There's the sell though right there. After that, it's probably going to, it's going to be a 5-minute, 15-minute sell, which I sold, by the way, to the blue line a long time ago. Oh, shit. It hasn't completed its 30-minute sell. Oh, I thought it already did that. What the? Bitcoin, Bitcoin might be going down. Somewhere around there. All right. Bitcoin is a 30-minute, 1-hour sell. Bitcoin is a 4-hour buy, daily buy. So probably, Lord willing, what it's going to do, if it will, humor me on this, come back down to this daily line right here and go back up. But again, 4-hour buy stop is what it is. I prefer to dip, and it looks like it will dip a little first. So you want to play all the shit games? 4-hour buy stop. 4-hour buy stop Bitcoin. 4-hour buy stop Bitcoin. Daily, you're too late. Already did it. Yep. Daily, so I already went up, and this is the same thing as Ethereum. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. XRP. Let's see where XRP is. XRP's in the house, so I love XRP. I own XRP. I'm not a financial advisor. Beware of that. 50 cents. Woo! We've been dollar cost averaging buying that at 31 cents and keep buying it. It's not much, like 3,500 or something, 20. No, I think it's 3,500. 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute sell. Sell to where? 1 minute sell. We already hit it. 5 minute sell. Hit it. 15-minute. 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell, 4-hour buy. And you already missed it too. I called this daily like back in February. The blue line buy, you're picking up shit right now. There's not much for you to do. Weekly sell stop. You can see it clearly. XRP, monthly buy stop, XRP. So that's XRP going out from 1 minute to a month. Ethereum, is it going to its blue line? Buy stop to the blue line 1 minute. 5-minute sell stop. 5-minute sell stop. 15-minute. You choose beautiful sells. I don't know what you got on. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minute, 50-minute sell to the blue line. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4-hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Oh, it's on the blue line. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop Ethereum. So it's going to go down a little bit to its 30-minute blue line. It's going to come down to somewhere around 1788. And then you'll see it come back up again. And then that'll be a 4-hour buy stop. Again, you're just like, this is the same chart. This is Ethereum daily. This is Bitcoin, the same parts. There's no difference between them. So Ethereum daily went to the blue lines when you should have got into. It is now a weekly sell stop and a monthly buy stop for Ethereum. So I gave you 1 minute through 5 minute on all those. Oil. I love oil because it just pisses me off when it goes up. 1 minute sell stop. Now I like that. 1 minute sell stop. How low can it go though? 1 minute sell. Well, it is what it is. 1 minute sell. 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute buy. 1 hour buy. 1 hour buy. 1 hour buy. 4-hour buy. The 1 hour, 4-hour buy to the blue line is going to go up. Son of a bitch. And then it's a daily sell. Daily sell. And you can see how many times it's done it before and how much money you would have made. Daily sell here on 10:10. Daily sell here at 11:10. Daily sell here at 1:31. Daily sell here at 2:16. Daily sell here at 3:06. Daily sell here today to the blue line. If they keep doing this, all they're doing is artificially raising it up when it's actually supposed to come down. How do I know that? Because if you go up to the weekly, well, it's going to. Oh, matter of fact, it has almost touched down to the weekly blue line. That's awesome. Monthly. Shit, that's bad. So you have a weekly sell, but we have a monthly buy. And that's bad. It's going to go higher than the previous high. Move down. line is going to bounce and come up on oil. You guys really should look into getting Hondas and Hyundais. Those fucking cars. One of our car. Well, I won't get into that, but one of them is got 57 miles to the gallon. It wasn't a hybrid. 55. I was like, what the fuck? I didn't think cars can do that. All right, I'm going to do Euro USD. Super quick. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, gee, I wonder if it was a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. Yes, this was a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. 15, 30, 30, 1 hour, 1 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Just look what it did. This is what I want all our indices to do. It came down, it candle wicked and touched the red line. Now it's going to go up, or it's going to keep coming down until it forms a full candle down there. Just put the buy stop above you. Drill it down as it goes down. It will go back up. Yes, it will. Matter of fact, you should have bought it when it's down real low. How do I know? Because it hasn't finished touching blue line right here. Daily. It's going to go push daily blue line. And how sure am I of that? Well, look at this shit. This thing's going down the opposite. That's called leadership. They trade opposite. So that's how we know. Weekly. Sell stop. This is the great reset again. This is what they're talking about when you want to drop things. And it's a weekly, monthly to the blue line. This is a weekly, monthly sell stop to the blue line. Yeah, it'll go up. It's going to go up to the daily, like I said, get a little bit closer. Maybe not, but it should get a little bit closer than that. And then what you're going to see is this thing's going to form what you guys are going to call an M, and this shit's going to go fucking rocketing downward faster than you can spell the word the. That's what's going down here, and it's going to go past here. When they drop this thing, they're going to do problem solution. The problem is they're going to create it so that you all want digital money, even though none of us do. And they're going to force the digital dollar down our throat, and then that's what you're going to see. And that's it. So it's going to go up for a little bit and then fall like a rock. That's what you're looking at. Now that's long term. Short term, sell stop 1 minute, sell stop 5 minute. 15-minute, and it was like a 1 hour buy, I think. A 1 hour buy. There you go. All right. USD. What are they doing around these days? I imagine. 1 minute. Oh, yeah. We can't even get a proper pullback. Look, the only gap right here on the buy would have netted you 50 pips on US 30. Boom. Buy on NAS. Netted you. Oh, we're in the money on that one. Ho, 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 ho. I'm over here running my mouth. I'm like, as there's nothing we can do on SPX. You're already in it. Yeah, it's just a hard up. So, I mean, we want a pullback. We would like to see the pullback come like this. Oh, that's not one. Like this. Price comes up. Price comes over. It pulls back. At least on the 1 minute, touches the red line and then goes up. And that forms our blue up arrow. But will it? I don't know. This is pretty strong up at the moment. So we're gonna have to wait. Gonna have to wait. And we're gonna have to wait. Oh crap! I'm gonna lose all of y'all. Gonna get bored. All right. Nice, Christopher. Let's see. $16. Nice, Christopher Paul. Awesome job. Divinity closed every day. I think future market closed at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. Mark 3 says. I don't know. Hopefully that'd be nice to get a lot of shit done if they do. There you go. Tuki said, little sister works at bank. They are setting up Fed Now system for July. That is correct. That is what I heard too. So if they're really going to be the nefarious evil people they are, before July they're going to drop this shit like a rock, and they're going to want to say, "Oh, look at our monetary system isn't good. We need the Fed Now, digital dollar in, whatever." Thank you, Sugar Plum Fairy. Happy Friday to you, and wishing you a very prosperous day too, and a happy, healthy one too. Okay. So this is Tukey saying, little sister works at a bank. They are setting up Fed Now system. If you don't know what the Fed Now, that's our digital dollar. And it's coming. And then when they tell you that you have to spend, they're going to do this. Mark my words. Watch this video back in a year. They will tell us that we have to spend 10% of our money month or whatever version of that, I'm not telling you 5%, 10%, whatever it is, of your money that you have, or they will expire your money just like they would a gift card. I 100% believe that. I'm not from the future, I'm not an alien, I only created a system that works, but I'm gonna go ahead and say I have a little common sense, and they are going to force that on us. "Oh, I don't like you doing this. I don't like what you said. I don't like you using the safety trade system. We're gonna freeze your account. We're gonna lock your account." I don't particularly care for what, Top G said. I don't particularly care for what, Kanye West said. If you didn't see that they even locked Kanye West's money up and they took away, Andrew Tate's money, and I'm not defending either of them for the least. They're pretty much I don't like them. They're fine. I'm not a fan of them. But that's fine. Well, Kanye's West, some of his music's okay. But the point is, they literally took their money from those guys, billionaires' money. Kanye couldn't even use, like, his fucking, Apple Pay to get a donut or something he was saying. So if they can do that to them, that was a heads up to you guys that unless we keep some version of cash around that's legal tender, how they're making cash illegal is beyond comprehension to me. Of course, it took, us off the gold standard back in the '70s, so whatever. Long story short is that digital dollar is coming and we're about to be smashed. That's what it is. That's okay. Keep making money while you can, spend it while you can. I guess stay on their good side for as long as you can. Kevin, where do we put our money if interest banks? There is no more money. You can't put your money anywhere. If you try to bury it, it'll be useless. They're gonna force you to cash in your dollars or your money, and you're gonna have to turn it all in. And if you don't believe they'll do that, they did that when they switched us from the gold standard with Nixon back in the '70s. So, yeah, well, the dollar used to be backed by gold. Now it's backed by the full faith and credit of the United States of America. Does that just sound funny to anyone? Oh my god. 'Cause it's a beautiful system. It is. It's a gorgeous system. Morning sapphire. Total controls what they want. Oh, yeah. Why do you think they want electric cars pushed down their throat? And again, Bree just bought a new Honda with it's electric, right? But they want the electric car because they want it to be able to turn on and off your cars whenever they feel like turning off their cars. So you can drive 15 minutes from your house. It's about control. We'll see how it works out. There's a lot of people in America that have an answer to this. By the way, we're waiting for this pullback here now on this. It's like we're waiting for the pullback the other way. Now we're waiting for the pullback right here on the 1-minute chart for all indices. All right, I don't know. Should I stay on? Should I go off? Out the call for your made of money? What time is it? Oh, it's almost 9. All right. Yeah, anybody have any questions for me? Everyone ready for their training this afternoon? We have 20 people in the small group. I'm expanding that to 30, by the way, just to be clear, because we maxed out today's training. We have full 20 in here, and I'm not doing 2 days of training, so it'll be next, not next week, but the 17th. You'll see when that changes over to 30. I can't believe I have 2 next month. I am really not happy about that second training class. I am not. Please have your rules out and have your charts looking like mine. I do not and will not sit there and help you set up your charts, not for 1 second. There we go. Who is this? Naz? 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 Naz. Here we go. Here we go now. We go. Is SPX doing it too? Not yet. Naz, 1-minute buy stop. Naz, 1-minute buy stop. Yay. Buy stop, which is a pending order, future pending order. Well, pending order means future. You put it here and you wait. And if it goes back up, you make money. To fill in the gap buy stop. Is it going to go back up? I don't know. Should it go back up? Yes. Will it go back? God knows. And you shouldn't even be trading. Why are you trading? Any of you, if you've made your money from here, this is my money. I made 29 pips. So 30 pips on NAS. And then I made, why are you guys still trading? You're forcing me to trade because otherwise you have no interest and everybody leaves. 150 pips. So I made 200 pips this morning and we're still trading. Does anyone see a problem with that? So any of you losing a lot, you should only be trading once or twice a day, like Jay Cochran, like Gorov, like Tommy. You shouldn't be trading all the time. Should be once a day. Buy stop. Only one official is NAS. 1 minute. Bop, diddy bop, bop, boop, bop. And that's it. That's all you got. All we got. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Nope. It's only for people who purchase the system. This Zoom training is only for people who have purchased the system. This Zoom training is only for people who purchase the system. Not email us. You damn well know that you'll get your training on Monday evenings at around 5 probably, not next week, but from then on, it's probably gonna be around 4, actually. But it's gonna be Mondays only on the official trading. Matter of fact, I'll be making that Zooms too, but this trading we're talking about right now is strictly for people who just purchased the system, and that's who's getting the training. It's Zoom only. So sorry, all you little Russian scammers out there, you can't join in. You won't be allowed in. You can't get in training. It won't be posted on YouTube. Okay. Does Mark close 9:15 this morning? I have no idea, Bob Williams. Why don't you Google it? Google is your friend. Like they did in Cali, buy EV last summer in Cali. Yeah, I know. That's exactly what they did. Yep. They told them and then they stopped them from using electricity. What? They couldn't charge their cars. Oh my god. And in oh my gosh, in Vegas, I think they might have like a 30-40% Tesla rate. There are so many Teslas in Vegas, it's great, which is a great city. Everything's about 20 minutes, 30 minutes away in Vegas, so you can the cars make sense there, I guess, but I feel sorry because, man, they can just boop, and there it goes. There's a buy stop fill in the gap, 1 minute SPX buy stop net, 1 minute in the buy stop fill in the gap US 30, 1 minute. Yep. Yes, this training I'm talking about at 1 PM Eastern Standard Time today is, strictly for new people. Do not email us. I'm telling you right now, we're not gonna respond. Anybody asked about the training that's not for new people, today or the next any day, we're not responding to that request. You get an email, everyone has their, type form, they all know what it is. You'll get an email about 10 minutes before normal training, and that'll be Monday afternoon. That's There is no other day, there is no other thing to do. Speaking of which, I'm gonna leave at the risk of something happening. Buy stop all 3 indices. Buy stop all 3 indices. I'm gonna go get a water. I'll be gone for about 30 seconds. Tukey say they play. Yes, they do. Adam says, "We will we be able to trade?" I hope to God, admit I like your username, Sugar Plum. I know. Doesn't her Sugar Plum Fairy name just put a smile on your face? I swear. It's so cute, her name is. It's so cute. Sugar Plum Fairy. I could see my youngest daughter naming herself that, on her things. Here we go. They play the long game. That is it. Oh, they started this back with coin shortage. They played a longer game than that, Tukey. They've been doing this shit since the '60s when they took out JFK. Just saying. Literally. I bought it. Oh, Adam, yeah. Oh, it's Adam, Adam. Am I trading this Friday? I hope I'm trading this Friday, Adam. All right. I'm gonna leave you guys. Hopefully everything goes up. I'm gonna be back in a second. Just gonna get a little bit over. Oh man, that was fun. That is fun. That fucking Jesus. Easiest calls in the world. All right, guys, I'm back. Did I miss anything? Oh, you're in the money on your NAS. Yay. All right. All right. Good Friday closed early, 9:15 Eastern. Oh, come on. They're actually closing us? Fuckers. I wanted to make some money this morning with you guys. We'll see the candles go blank and waiting for a thing. And by the way, what he's talking about, as we all know, is when you get closed off over the weekend, they charge you what's called swap fee. And it's actually fair. I have no problem with swap fees. It's their money. We're using it over, and they charge us interest. Now it's an extremely high interest rate. I'm up $17 on the NAS trade. So I lost one today, by the way, to small. It was like $6. This is what a swap. Let me show you over here. This is what a swap fee looks like. I see it on TikTok. Hold on. Can you guys see this on TikTok? Yeah, there you go. So what they do is over the weekend or overnight, technically, they charge interest. So this is the interest they charge, called a swap. Not a big deal if you're in a good trade like I am. I've been holding this trade since last Wednesday, and now it's over a week, 10 days old. Then yeah, I'm okay with holding it. I'm up $8,000. I'm good. They're entitled to money. You know, that's fair to me. Some people get pissed. Oh, they're charging interest. They're charging this. They're well, it's their fucking money. It ain't yours. You follow what I'm saying? US 30. You're in the money on your NAS. I took my money out. You're in the money further on your NAS. It's going up. As I said, fill in the gap. It filled in the gap right here. See it? Green to the red. Green, green. What do you know about that? So that's also swap fees are just interest. And then they're entitled to it. I mean, if someone's using my money, I'd want my fucking interest, on the money. That's right. I don't know. People get so pissy over stupid. They're entitled to it. Their fucking money. We're not using our money. That's their money. Any rate, those are my buys. From today, these ones up. Yesterday's buy at this one on NAS. I've been holding this one for 10 days. So whatever. Swap fee in case y'all didn't know. You're in the money a lot on your NAS now. You're in the money a lot on your NAS. And that's what it is. So if the markets do close down early, we'll be locked in and you pay a little interest. Either you like the trades, close them down like he said, or keep them open. I like keeping some open. I don't have a problem with that at all. Yes, thank you, Bob. Yep. 1 hour and 30 minutes more. I'm stuck. No, not if it's Eastern Standard Time. You only have 10 less than 10 minutes, 8, 5, 7 minutes more. I'm stuck in gold since yesterday and probably it hasn't moved at all for me. Let's see. Nice ass. Yes, Greg, wasn't it? Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. Well, it's hard to see with my shitty drawings right? That's what it's looking like. And I bet you SPX is doing it too. And let's see what US 30 is doing. Nope, US 30 is fine. Oh no, US 30 is doing it too. Yeah, but it's not a big fill in the gap. So it's not a huge. It didn't pull back enough to the line like it did on US 30. So US 30's a bigger gap. That's all. Not US 30 is not going to go up. I'm just saying that's a prettier trade. It's a more correct trade. See, because it came down and challenged the oh, there's money. I took profit at $17. I just didn't feel like staying in it. Oh, what fun. NFP, CPB, QRP, IRS, FBI. I mean, we just make up shit. Anything to manipulate the market. And all they did was drag down to take all the profit down. But in reality, we had our 1 minute sell stops in. So in reality, we made 20 pips on that stupid ass shitty move to take the contract. In reality, when they pulled this one down, we made about 20, 30 pips. In reality, when they took the gas down, we also made another more than enough for you guys. Got 2 or 3 pips. And then when they did, we jerked it up. Well, like we didn't know it was coming. What the fuck is the 1 hour? Look at your 1 hour chart. I don't know. All day long, every day long, you can see that it was all the way from here. You knew this was a buy stop. Let me be clear. All the way since 4-4, you knew this was a buy stop. And some of you are wondering how I'm still in a trade, right? How is he still in a trade? 4-4. How is that possible? Well, I'm in a trade from 329, even before then. So when was 329? This was 329. So let's go back over how I'm in a trade from 329. Let's look. Let me get this out of the way. Sorry. The very first buy stop that we saw right here. This is our logo that starts below, up. This is a buy line. So I took it. I'm in the trade. I even got in late. I should have another 120 pips. So I actually got in really late. I went in after all this mess up here, just different green, and I made it. And this is the safest pips you could possibly make. That was 300 pips I made total safety. And I said, I opened up multiple trades back then, but I kept one up. And I said, why am I going to close a winning trade? So it went up, did its thing again, right? Fill in the gap, went up again. I said, okay, well, I'll put my stop loss right above that in case it ditched down. Good. No, it stayed up here. This is your buy stops that we're currently in. You can't miss these as buy stops. There's nothing you can do. What do you, I get so frustrated. But again, I have to remember that what I see is, 3 years. CL. But what I see for the last 9 years of trading, when I talk to you guys, I feel like you guys should be able to see that yourselves, and yet you guys don't see it. But then when I talk to my family about it, like, yeah, you're talking like PhD level, and these guys are like at kindergarten level. And I'm like, well, that's not true. And they go, well, I said, why aren't they holding their trades longer? Why don't they understand what's happening? And it's just, it isn't necessarily you guys. It's just that you don't have the same experience that I do. That I see things that are clear to me. It's like clearly obvious that, we're going to hold this, we're playing this trade longer. Why aren't they seeing this trade as it goes through your very eyes? Like, how can they not see that this is a buy stop? Green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green. They gave you 3 warnings that it was going to shoot up. 3 warnings before, let's see, on 4-5. So they told you what was going to happen before NFP came out, 4-5. So they told us 2 days ahead of time. For the last 2 days, they've been saying buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. So to me, I see that. I go, okay, that's the easiest fucking shit in the world. Why are they questioning what's going to happen in NFP? And I thought they dropped it down harder. Is the only issues. I thought they did on NAS, they didn't on US 30 too much on SPX. But I thought they'd drop it down harder to grab everyone's contracts. But other than that, how do you see that this is a buy stop? I don't understand. To me, this is like the most basic shit on the face of this earth. Thank you, Wise Trade. So there you go. I don't know. I mean, I thought I made the system as easily as humanly possible. I don't know. So that's how I'm able to say you'll learn when you go over trading how you're learning to open up trades at once and stack them. Why is this thing here? See, I have nowhere to put 90% of it. I don't know. Here, maybe. Put it here. Here. Nope, that's covering that up here. I'll try there. All right, now look. All right. What happened to my callouts? Whoa. Oh, there they are. They're over there. Okay. All right. So now, let me get rid of this. Oh, and please don't forget about the little scammers here. And don't you worry. If you did anything wrong, we're coming after you. But at any rate, let's stay on this focus. This trade you're looking at, see it? You kind of can move it over a little bit more. This trade you're looking at, how about right? From 329. Is that possible? No. Is that possible? No. Is that possible? Can't see it, really? the fuck over. I gotta pull this. You guys need to go from TikTok over to YouTube. You guys should be listening on YouTube, listening on TikTok because you can hear me better and it comes out faster. You should be watching me on YouTube though. All right, right there. Here we go. All right. This trade is from 329. So let's go back to 329. It's a US 30 buy. 329. I'm holding a trade on from 329. Hey, what happened on 329? There's 329. What happened? What is this called, everybody, that I did something? I put a buy stop in up here on 329. Why did I put a buy stop? What kind of trade is this? Is it a buy stop or a sell stop? What is this? Anybody at all? It is. The market's closed now. We can still learn. We can still learn. It's okay. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday. Thank you. Buy stop all day. Okay, Dr. McCain, have a good weekend. I'm going to stay on for a few minutes and help you all, but if you guys want to leave, feel free. Knock yourself out. So it's a buy stop. So I went into the buy stop. Okay, entered into the buy stop right here. It was a buy stop to the blue line, so and it was already the third one. NAS and SPX did it, and so it went up 300 pips. Then we had a buy stop fill in the gap, buy stop fill in the gap, buy stop fill in the gap. Then it turned into another buy stop here where it dipped down, and now we're currently in this buy stop. And there it is. So that's why I'm holding on to the trade. How do you hold on to a trade so long? How do you hold on to a trade so long? I'm not selling a winning trade. I had opened up multiple of these, and I'm perfectly fine keeping the trade open as long as I keep seeing the buy stops on the higher time frames. Bob Williams, who's market. Okay, Bob, we got it. Thank you very much. We're good. We're not talking about that now, but thank you very much for your information. Appreciate it. All right. And now on the NAS, for instance, you're saying a US 30 for the 1 hour. Here's the 4 hour. I mean, this is just golden. You can see that this is a fill in the gap, buy stop. What is this? 4 hour. So why again am I going to get out of the trade that I entered into from here when this is a 4 hour fill in the gap? I'm going to keep this trade open even longer. Simple as that. Same with the daily. And now when we get a little bit higher up here, because this is if you didn't notice, this is a weekly buy right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. So there you go. All right, that's all. That's why I'm holding the trade as long as I am. If you guys have any questions, we can stay on. If you don't have any questions, that's fine. I don't care. YouTube, I'm going to stay on for a minute. TikTok, do you guys have any questions? Oh, speaking of which, I'll show you where to get it. I can help. I'm not going to train too much on YouTube, but I can go over a few questions if you guys have anything. General ones, especially. If you want to learn how to trade for once in your freaking life and not be the losers that we were for 6 years and win one trade, lose 99, go over to safetytrade.com and do it. Okay. Yes, sir. That's what it is. So anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube now for a few minutes. Correct, Gregory Griffin II. Correct. See you there. Okay. Sugar Plum Fairy. See you on YouTube. What's your prediction for NFP? Well, we already did. That's a prediction. Thank you. Thank you for answering over there. Be nice. Okay. All right. So everybody on TikTok, I'm going to head out. Oh, what platforms? This is MetaTrader 4 Eagle FX platform. This is MetaTrader 4. The reason we use that is because the indicators are coded for Eagle FX. That's why we use it. This trade I'm pointing to right here. This trade is from last Wednesday. I'm still in it, and I was trying to explain to you why I'm still in the trade. So not only did the system call out this morning with NFP where it was going, But literally, I'm in a trade from last Wednesday, over a week and a half before they announced NFP, and evidently I was right. Okay. Allie, I'm not going to go over stop loss placement using it. I will do that on a private training next Monday at around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. I won't do that on anymore. Thank you. Okay. See you guys on TikTok, heading over to YouTube. Bye, y'all. Have a great, great weekend. God bless y'all. Enjoy the holiday. Hope some of you get off. Not over there, really. See ya. Nice. Now I can talk. I made it through 4 days in a row without getting banned on TikTok. Woohoo! I've made it 4 days in a row without getting banned on TikTok. Made it through 4 days. All right. Now, YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns. I would buying system probably this weekend or morning going camping. Nice, Don. Look forward to having you in. Thanks, Kevin. I'm out. Wish you all happy Easter. See you all Monday. Absolutely, Marty. Ken Rose, K Rose. Thank you, Ken. Good morning, Ken. Hi, Ken. Thanks, Kevin. Have a great Easter. You too, Don. What an accomplishment, Kevin. My ass off. I'm not sure. What was I saying? Um, Don, smart decision. Yeah, I agree with that. Thank you, Wise. Thanks, Kevin. I doubt you for a little, but system legit, great stuff. Oh yeah, everyone doubts. It's cool to see when the guys really doubt and come in here like they're pissed and they can't believe it's this easy and they're pissed about everything. Then they convert over that it wins. It's funny to me because then they become like that. Hey, Kevin, team. I started taking Kev's college months ago on paper account. I've been averaging $1,000 per day in a purchase program. I have a question. Babe, I just say stay asleep. The market's not open. I just sent it to you. No. Well, it was open. It's not now. All right, precious. Oh, really? Yes. Yeah, everyone's here, but they're all leaving. He was only open for NFP. Oh, wait, hold on. Anyone here? Press is going to do a Easter Friday giveaway. So if you guys want to earn a couple of $50 gift cards somewhere, I don't know how much you want to give away. Uh, she's going to get a question ready. Anyone here? See, you guys are sneaking out of here. You guys are lucky now if you waited. You can't win again if you're a past winner. But we're going to give away a couple of gift cards here. So, in there. How long is the 1 o'clock meeting today? Usually it lasts about an hour to hour and a half, but it is so thorough. I will never stop until everyone understands what I'm talking about. Good morning. Free Money Fridays. She's going to come up with a question here in just a second. Did I miss anyone else's question? Let me look real quick. Wishing you all, hey, Sapphire. Thank you, Sapphire. It cut me off, me making $20. Happy Easter. I have a truck driver face. He was pissed that they cut him off. He's making money. Congratulations, David. I don't know of any prop firms. I don't deal with prop firms. I refuse to make rich people more money. But there's people here that might be able to answer you. Tanny says, "Happy Easter. Have a beautiful weekend. Everybody have a beautiful weekend." No ban on TikTok. Oh, the no ban on TikTok. He was. I said I went 4 days without getting the ban on TikTok this week. I got 2 Monday. They kicked me out of the rest of the week. I didn't get banned. Yay! That was an accomplishment. I got you now. I'm sorry. Hey, Bree. All right. So Bree is up. Kev, do you ever do advanced group training? Yes, we do, Thomas. We do it every Monday now that I'm home. It'll be Monday around, unfortunately, around 6 this coming Monday, but then after that, it'll be around 4. Don't worry, I'll get out a notice before then. All right, Bree's in the house. Here she goes. All right, first question.
always falls between which two dates? Which two dates?
And no, Thomas, we're not responding to anyone ask about advanced training. Do not respond. Delete the email. They already know. Do not ask. This training today is for beginners only. Beginners only. This trade today is for people who just training today is for people who purchase. Just purchase. You only get one small group Zoom training like this. After that, it's probably going to be on YouTube next Monday around 6.
Oh, Health, Family, Wealth.
You got it. Health, Family, Wealth?
Yeah.
Has he won before?
I don't know.
Health, Family, Wealth. Have you won before? You can hear Bree. Sorry.
Shit. You hear me? Oh.
No. You have a little tiny voice, Precious, and it's far away. No problem, Thomas. We'll send out an email to you.
It's via YouTube, though.
Yeah.
Nice. Health,
Yay! Health, Family, Wealth. Health, Family, Wealth. Health, Family, Wealth.
Email us.
Oh, just send an email to Bree, and she'll give you out a $50 gift card to where? Anywhere you want.
Yeah. Preferably if it's like a chain on Amazon.
Yeah. Something out, a chain on Amazon.com so that we can send it over to you and be much easier. Congratulations. No worries, Thomas. Good morning, Dennis. Dennis, evidently we're dollar late and day late and a dollar late. Whatever the fuck the saying is, we're short
late
today.
and a dollar. All
that
right.
one.
Next one.
Second one, you guys pay attention. Listen to Bree.
How much did the world's largest chocolate weigh?
Damn.
And I'm looking for the pounds and ounces.
50 pounds.
No, way bigger than that.
Oh, way bigger than 50 pounds. All right, there's a second question.
How much did the world's largest chocolate Easter egg weigh?
How big was the largest Easter egg ever? How much did it weigh? Oh, someone guessed.
Chocolate Easter egg.
Chocolate Easter egg, 12,770 pounds. Damn.
No.
Frank, that's a very specific number. Paul, 250 pounds.
Nope.
I've been telling everyone about you guys, and my family, and even the boss, and lots of my friends. Thank you, Don. 200 pounds? No. 745 pounds. 1 ton? Holy shit, Stefan. What the hell? 7,200 pounds?
Health, Family, Wealth, you already won. That's it, though. 15,873 pounds.
We have to ask another question.
Well, how much is the kilograms? 7,200 kilograms.
Oh, that's probably it.
Yeah, that is it.
Hey, Brian Flores, is 7,200 kilograms 15,870 pounds? It seems like it. I think Brian Flores said Health Family Wealth, you already won once. And we're going to let Brian Flores take this one. Congratulations, Brian. I think you're the winner, right? Oh, market open, 9:30, market open.
15,873 pounds.
15. Yay, first win. Yay, Brian. Congratulations, Brian. So 7,200 kilograms is 15,000. It's 16,000 pounds. Nice. Nice.
All right, guys.
Is that it, or should we do one more?
We'll do one more for 25.
No, let's do more. You guys want to do one more, yes or no? One more trivia question, and then we'll go. And we're not opening this up to Russian scumbags. Sorry. If you're a scam artist, any scammers out there, you can't win.
I think the two that won already in the system.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, probably for people in the system.
We should
that
put that
way
in
we
there.
know that, yeah.
Okay, we're going to make it that way. The only one that can play this game are people who bought the system directly from us, period, or our sister site, period.
All right. Let me look up one more thing.
That was a joke, Ken. One more. Go, Bri, go.
All
Allie
right,
likes
all right,
it.
all right, all right, all right. Which United States president was the first to introduce an Easter bunny to the White House Easter egg roll?
That's
I'm
interesting.
looking for the name of a U.S. president, the one who
Lyndon B. Johnson.
first introduced an Easter bunny to the White House Easter egg roll.
BJFK.
No,
Obama.
not Obama. It's a
Yeeb. Good morning,
little earlier
Yeeb.
than that.
Nixon, said Frank.
Richard Nixon.
No.
Pat Nixon?
Oh, no, Nixon.
Oh, well, I'm looking for who's the Nixon person?
Oh, I don't know.
I
Was
mean,
it?
should we count that?
Yeah,
Pat
yeah,
Nixon?
absolutely.
Oh, okay, Pat
Yeah.
Nixon.
Nixon. Patrick. I don't know. And Nixon's the correct answer. He's right.
Okay.
Frank. Frank was the first one.
Oh, I didn't know. If
Frank
that was like a
K.
name.
Frank, did you say Richard Nixon? Yeah, he said Nixon. It counts. It's gotta count. Not Bill. Hillary would have had a little axe waiting for the Easter bunny.
Well, I guess technically he's right.
Yes, the answer was Nixon. Frank K. Congratulations, Frank.
Scroll down. Sapphire, you're so close.
What was that for a say?
Darn.
What was she after
'Cause I
him?
know she wants to win.
Aw.
Damn, Sapphire.
Was she just one past? Oh, yeah, she was one right
Yeah.
after Frank.
Frank,
I'm sure Frank's stick around. Congratulations, Frank. Yeah, Stefano's still guessing 4,000 kilograms. Yeah, I was thinking like Roosevelt, Lincoln. Lincoln.
no, not that old.
Not that old. Frank, you actually won. Yes, you did. Woohoo. No, give it to
Just
Frank.
email to claim your
I was first. It's Gregory Griffin the second. No, Gregory Griffin the second. You're the second. Gregory Griffin. President Hayes allows children to play egg rolling games. Oh, that's cute. He was 100%
right.
I just like
But
playing.
I guess Nixon was the first one to use the Easter.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That was fun. Sapphire, maybe next time.
All right. So everyone that won, please contact Bri at. Oh, Pat Nixon, the right of Richard Nixon. Damn. Boy, Frank is on top of that. Thank you, D-Man.
Great. All right. Well, I'll try to see if we can do next week.
It's always free. You call it? The free giveaway Fridays.
Sunday, fun Friday giveaway. I don't know.
All right.
Friday,
Is this
Sunday giveaway? I don't know.
now that we're home? We'll be doing this every Friday for sure. Just for fun.
All right, guys. Y'all have a happy Easter weekend.
Have a blessed one, guys. We're gonna have a nice little family get together.
You guys have to get faster with your Google typing skills.
Yeah, right.
I try to pick some to where people can guess.
Yeah.
You know, it's fine if you Google it. I mean,
What can we stop it?
the quickest will win.
That's all it is. All right, guys. Happy Easter. God bless. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I probably won't be back on until Sunday evening to make the call up for you guys. We're just having a fun week. We're going to go see a movie, that kind of stuff.
All right.
Anything else?
I don't think so.
All good? All right. God bless y'all. Happy Easter. I'm going to go ahead and log off somehow if I can find the button.
All right. Everyone that won, please email me, Health Family Wealth, Frank, and damn, what's the other one? Health Family Wealth, Frank, and
it was the first one. Health and Wealth was first.
oh, Brian. Yeah, Brian.
Got it.
Okay.
All right. God bless, guys. Done.